FLASHFORGE's AD5M is an ambitious entry in the high-speed CoreXY crowd. It's an all-metal CoreXY chassis, touts fully auto calibration and a one-click high-speed workflow with a coated top speed up to 600 mm per second, plus a quick swap nozzle for fast maintenance. The AD5MS to 20x20x 220 mm build area and one-click tooling angle it toward makers who want both speed and reliability without a huge footprint. The product page lists the unit details and product dimensions and shows it as a fairly new model in FLASHFORGE's lineup. If you want the up-to-date price, click through the listing because pricing moves. In real-world use, the AD5 CoreXY motion and rigid metal frame translate to confidence at higher speeds. Vibration is lower than you'd expect for a printer pushing faster travel. The quick swap nozzle is a time saver during maintenance and nozzle swaps, which is great when you test many materials. Auto calibration helps reduce the frustrating manual bed truing step, though a few power users still prefer manual microtuning for critical parts. Customer feedback on the listing praises the hardware solidity and fast prints, while some reviewers say slicing and tuning are needed to balance speed versus finish. If you value engineering and a fast print pipeline, and don't mind spending a bit of time dialing in optimal profiles, AD5M is compelling. Pros: robust metal CoreXY build, high claim top speed, useful quick swap nozzle, auto calibration. Cons: you'll still do slicing tuning to get top speed prints looking pristine, and the unit's price performance depends on how much you actually use the high-speed envelope. Overall, user sentiment on the product page skewed toward impressed, especially with the mechanics. A few users noted setup and software learning curve items. As usual, we share buy links in the description box.